So this one is another one of our parking lot regradings. This one we're off on Henderson Highway in Winnipeg. So this one, what happened is that there's a lot of overgrowth on the driveway, and I guess the customer is wanting to, I don't know if there's tenants inside here, but he's wanted to expand the driveway. So on the driveway, you can already see that there was overgrown vegetation. There was an old parking pad there too as well. So what we did is we regraded everything with the soil conditioner, ripping up the top layer. I went over all the vegetation spots, ripped that all up with the soil conditioner. And then once I was done with that, I switched over to my smooth bucket. What I did is that I pulled it into the spot that was low, which was the pad that was already existing there. And the purpose of doing that is to pull back and reuse the materials. So they wanted that covered, and it's all gravel. So I threw it inside there, spread out everything else. On the other side, you'll see that I made some spray marks. That's actually where, I don't know because I couldn't get a hold of the customer, but I'm going off from the sidewalk that they have in between the two houses there. So I went through the middle to mark the driveway so that I have a straight line for my driveway, but kind of a rough idea for where the property is. And now I'm just sitting here waiting for my gravel because my gravel is showing up late. So I'm just waiting right now to complete the job. This is the after shot of the product being done.